Our wood shutters offer a truly authentic look. These shutters can be made out of pine, cedar, or redwood materials,
using the finest American craftsmanship.
Other woods can be sourced if requested. Our wood shutters are perfect for decorative or functional installations. The wood shutters come in 5 different styles, including Open Louver, raised panel, flat panel, board-and-batten, or framed board-and-batten. Each style is available in a straight top or arch top in 10 different configurations. These shutters are available in any width 10 inches and up in 1/4 inch increments and any length 20 inches and up in 1/4 inch increments. Our wood shutters are great for painting or staining. All wood shutters can be made with a natural primed or painted finish. Painting is available with our 19 standard colors or any custom color. Just supply us with the manufacturer's paint name and color number, and your shutters can be truly unique. Wood shutters can be installed on many surfaces using many different installations. Therefore, we do not include any type of hardware with the shutters. Fixed mounting brackets can be purchased in either plastic or metal for an additional cost. Whether you're looking to finish the look of your new home or trying to add some curb appeal to your current home, our wood shutters are a great choice at a great price. Perfect Shutters, your one-stop shop for, well, perfect shutters.